I filmed something earlier that I was going to share with you. It was an unboxing of something I just bought. And this is going to be a dramatic reenactment of it because my focus kind of got screwed up. And so it didn't really come out. So here it is. What could this be? I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. It's something I ordered that was really cool and I've wanted for years. I used to have one as a kid. Oh my God. I can't believe it. A 1978 Kenner X-Wing, Star Wars X-Wing fighter. We had them as kids. My brother and I, we got one of these and we got the Millennium Falcon. And I've wanted to have one probably within years of us getting rid of the old ones. We didn't get rid of them. We moved around a lot. My mom threw out a bunch of toys. They were all busted up anyhow because we played with them so much as kids. It was crazy. Anyway, I started out looking at land speeders on eBay, and I said, okay, land speeder would be cool, but an X-Wing would be even cool. I mean, the Millennium Falcon would be the coolest, but they're super expensive. So I started looking around, and even these, like in good shape, were super expensive. So I found one that looked like it was in decent shape that could be cleaned up and maybe fixed up, and this was it. So I ordered it. And it came in the mail today, and I was super excited to open it up. I wish you could have seen the real video because it was really cool. But this one's got a little work I got to try to do on it, which I guess is my new hobby, is refurbishing vintage toys. We'll see how it goes. I got to get this magic marker off of here. I got new stickers coming for it. I have to get one new gun because most of the guns are here and they're not broken. One is, which is pretty surprising. It's got the canopy that needs a little work, but this is like the 1978 OG, man. I'm so excited. Like, we used to have hours of fun as kids playing with these. Look, it looks just like the freaking movie, right? Red 5, standing by. Luke, can you hit the target? Your tracking computer's off. I'm all right. Use the force, Luke. You're all clear, kid. Let's get out of here. Something like that. Anyway, stay tuned. This is going to be so cool. I got a feeling I'm going to be able to fix it up nice. So I'm super excited. Love you guys. Be kind.